Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can set the YouTube TV home location. So if you want to change the location of your YouTube TV, for example, if you have moved your location, if you have moved your home and you want to change your local channels, so what you can do is you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to the settings. In the settings on the left side, you can go to the area. So in the area, as you can see the current playback area it's showing, you can click on the update area to update your current location. You can go to update and this is going to tell you to update your location. You can simply click on update location and then it is going to ask you to allow YouTube TV to access your location. I'm going to allow this time and it is going to get your location. And now my current playback area location has been changed. So this is how you change your home location on YouTube TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.